Found a SED file alongside an installer package and wondering what it controls? This directive format powers Windows' built-in installer creator. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how IExpress directive files work. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party SED file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. This file contains instructions and settings used by the Microsoft IExpress Wizard to create a self-extracting executable package, (exe). Users typically create or encounter SED files when building simple installers or compressed packages on Windows, defining which files to include and how they should be extracted. The SED file is a plain text INI-style configuration file. Microsoft chose this simple human-readable format so that the IExpress Wizard could easily parse the directives and settings. This design also allows advanced users to manually edit the script to customize the package creation process beyond the Wizard's GUI. The specialized program designed to handle SED is IExpress Wizard by Microsoft Corporation. This file type demands a dedicated niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows can display config data, though correct use depends heavily on understanding the format. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your SED file and choose Open with. Test IExpress Wizard first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. When a SED file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. This particular SED file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, editing as text. Open SED files in Notepad++ or any text editor to inspect or modify packaging directives. The INI style structure clearly identifies source file lists, installation commands, and user prompts. Direct editing enables fine-tuning beyond the IExpress Wizard's graphical configuration options for specific packaging needs. Next, building with IExpress. Run iexpress.exe from Windows Run dialog and select Open Existing. Self-extraction directive file pointing to your SED file. Step through the Wizard reviewing settings and finally building the exe installer package. Alternatively, run iexpress/nfilename.sed for command line build without Wizard interaction. Finally, modernizing the approach. Consider migrating SED-based packaging to modern installer technologies like Wix Toolset, InnoSetup, or NSIS. These tools provide more flexible installer authoring with version management upgrade handling and richer user interfaces, while maintaining the simplicity that originally made IExpress attractive for quick packaging. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.